The hyper-personalized, intuitive, and intelligent world requires its employees to have a full stack of skills. This is what we mean when we quote the term full stack developer. The term full stack developer describes the software developers who have multiple competencies and worked across the development process from the front to the back end. They are in much demand. Why? Because they understand the enterprise's large picture and resolve issues effectively. Thus, I have handpicked the top 5 reasons why you should become a full stack developer. Number 1 on my list is the high demand, which is going higher with every passing day. The full stack developer is always in demand, no matter what the market waves say. It's quite rare that a person becomes a pro in both front-end and back-end coding. Thus, when someone does that, the skill is considered highly valuable. Knowing both front-end and back-end coding counts a lot, and this brings me to the reason that I am presenting to you. High salary. Research says that a full-stack developer earns between $80,000 to $150,000 per year, depending on the company and location. Being called a full-stack developer means being well-versed in many skills that are creating a buzz in the market, and this is our third reason for the day. A diverse work portfolio. A person who learns full-stack development from Learnox will have good enough knowledge in back-end coding, database technologies and programming languages like Java, Python, Ruby, PHP and Node.js after finishing the course. The fourth reason why you should become a full-stack developer is more and more opportunities. A full-stack developer is assumed to be well-versed in both technical and soft skills, especially after learning from Learnox. This helps them in getting placed in high-paying tech companies of their choice. The demand for a full-stack developer is worldwide. Last but not the least, gaining the full stack of development skills is easy, or let's say easier than it seems. Each language has its own identity and uniqueness but is somehow interrelated. There is a lot of study material and trained professionals who help you in gaining an edge over others in full stack development. The full stack development course from Learnox gives you access to easily modified lessons just for you. With industry professionals and university trainers, mastering the fundamentals will help you reach the top of your career. So learn now and lead tomorrow.